Things are getting crazier on the Higgsfield AI, and filmmaking and video editing has been made so easy. You can create amazing videos like this on the Higgsfield AI. Just look. And a video like this.
I have to get out of here before those machines catch me. No way! They'll stop me today!
Another video like this. A very hyper-realistic video. Another video like this. Camera consistency. Yeah, another video like this. So to do this, just head on to the Higgsfield website, go to the Cinema Studio, upload your image, and then you upload the image of let's just work with my image, and I can just type in my prompt, then I'll select my camera properties. I want the focal length to be 35, and I want to change the lens of the camera to be in Coke. Then the camera type, I want to use the RFX. Then let's change the lens to ZS Ultra Prime, and the focal length 50, and let's choose the aperture. And then once we're done, hit generate, and then we'll have our images generated. Just wait for a little while, and then our image has been generated. You can see how clean and realistic this image is, and I can go ahead and choose to increase the number of images to be generated. So I want it to be 4 images, and then I generate. Now my images are ready. So let's download the images. Let's just get them downloaded. As easy as that. Then we can go back to the video session of the Higgsfield AI. Go back to the video session and click on Kling 3.0, and then we proceed to uploading our image. So let me put my image here, then type my prompt, then generate a hyper-realistic cinematic video of the man escaping from 2 giant zombie robots with building exploding behind them. Then I'll select my duration. Let's work with let's say 9 seconds. Let's check the resolution, and then we generate. Our video is ready, and we can just go ahead and play our video. You can see how realistic it is. So let's try another thing again. Let me just copy this prompt from Gemini. Copy this prompt from Gemini. I'll just get my prompt, and I'll head back to the Higgsfield AI, and then I will paste my prompt here. Highly cinematic basketball player dunking and scoring alone on the basketball court. Select my duration. I want it at 10 seconds, then hit generate. You have a video like this, super clean and realistic. And then let's try another one. I'll just copy my prompt from Gemini again. This time around I want to work with a football player, so the prompt says a hyper realistic cinematic close-up of a football player in a black with helmet and jersey sprinting through a rainy night stadium. The scene transition into heavy hitting tackle of defense. Generate another video. Then you copy your prompt from Gemini. Then from there you head over to your Higgsfield AI, and then you paste it there. Our prompt is kind of long, so I'll just check the duration. Let's set it at let's say 10 seconds. Then next thing is we'll check our resolution, and then we just, yeah, if you want to add and start an in-frame, you can do that, but we're not doing that tonight. We'll just click generate and we have our video like this. So this is all for this video. If you find this helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so the algorithm can recommend more of my content to you and other viewers as well.